Look at Jonesy make a fire. This is going on YouTube, Jonesy.
Good. Pyro. Technic.
Pyrotechnic.
College for it. Can't do anything else besides. Can't be pyrotechnic in college. That'd just be dumb. Then you'd just be an arson.
You can't light it, do a retard.
No, I'm not a retard.
Yep.
Kind of a retard, Mindy. Sorry.
Yeah, Mindy's a retard.
Sorry to be the one to tell you, Mindy, but it's a little true.
Oh, thanks.
It's a little true.
Yeah.
Awesome. Ooh, what time is?
Look at my orange socks. Ooh, shit stain.
Look at my shit stain, Buck. It's my shit stain.
Shit.
It's my shit, bitch. My shit.
How tall are you? And Mindy, try to pick Josh up. No.
What? Easy. Promise.
I don't want to pick you up.
Pick me up, Mindy. Ow.
Ow. See that tie right there? They put that in the fire a couple nights ago.
I do too, man. Sorry, there it goes.
Yeah. Oh, I can't think.
Oh my god, Denny actually got an axe. Sweet. Wonder if I can get this to work.
No one works with Subway.
Look at that thing, it's like duct taped. Completely. Ow!
What?
I might go to jail for arson if the policeman stops me.
Dude,
There's like a little hole.
did you just start that?
No.
Oh my god, look at that. It's on fire. Jones, come here, look at this.
We should totally put a hose in there, huh?
He doesn't have water.
Serious?
Yeah, his water got shut off.
Chop it! That solves everything. Oh my god,
It's
that
not
is
working.
like, like
Spit, it's
like
totally,
good.
don't do that.
Like Kate.
he's gonna be pissed. The inside.
Dirt.
Dude.
Yeah, that's bad.
Oh my god. Oh.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure Dennys
You
would be
stick your
pissed.
dick in there.
Yeah, funny.
Stop. That didn't work.
That's not gonna work. Maybe it's good.
It's called turn
Give
the
me that
water
machete.
on.
Give me that machete.
Dude, he doesn't have water.
Chop your
Let me
dick
see the
off.
fucking machete.
That worked a little bit.
What the fuck are we gonna put the fire on, dude? It doesn't have any water.
I want to be on the camera.
Look at that. It's just like escalating. That didn't work. Still on fire.
Here, we can knock him out and then like we can put him in front of me.
I don't know why we didn't knock
First.
me out. You go like, you just go like this, you go boom! And put it in it.
Oh,
fuck.
Hey, it worked!
Yes, I can stop it.
Yeah, it will. Try to stop.
Oh, damn.
Told you.
Just gotta throw it hard.
I think it smells like poopy.
hey, dude, you're upside down.
How you doing?
Everything is upside down now.
Don't hit me.
I'm not gonna hit you. No, I know. Let me do something.
Hey, Jonesy,
Yes.
sing Irish.
Look at that. Funny.
Oh yeah.
Sing Lucy in the Sky with Diamonds.
Dude, I know.
Irish
Don't
for
hit me.
Picture yourself on a boat on a river with tangerine trees and mulberry skies. So many coasts you and across away the girls. Kaleidoscope. Ice! 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 Your turn. Say ice!
Ice! Hey, okay, listen to my fireworks sound effect. Oh, you can
There you go. I made you a surprise.
Oh my god,
Really
this guy's
surprised.
happy on
It's a
camera.
really big surprise. I mean, look.
Oh
It
my
could
god.
be his condo. Pretty cool rubber rock.
Ow! That was funny.
Where's that?
In front. Bent tire.
Anyone knows where?
Position.
Yeah, does anyone know where Drake's bike is? That yellow one?